Here we are going to discuss the formula menu today in Microsoft Excel. Formula menu contains multiple formulas. For example, as you can see that I have opened the formula menu here. Look at the function library of MS Excel. The function library contains AutoSum formulas. These are some basic formulas. The five formulas are sum, average, count, maximum, minimum, and more. If you go to more functions, you can see multiple formulas over here. If you move on to next, recently used, it is showing me that which formulas we have used recently in Microsoft Excel. Next to that, you can see the financial formulas. These formulas belong to accounting. Multiple formulas are displayed in front of the menu. If you go to insert function, you can see multiple more formulas for accounting here. Next to that, you can see the logical financial formulas and logical formulas. The logical formulas are used in computer programming. Excel is showing a list of logical formulas, and if we click insert function, you can see multiple more logical formulas over here. Next to that, you can see the text formulas. These are used for text or string. There are multiple formulas for text here also. Next to that, you can see the date and time formulas. These are used to apply dates, times, and this type of things. Next to that, you can see the lookup formulas. These are very important formulas. These are used to transfer data from one sheet to another sheet, from one file to another file. Next to that, you can see the mathematical formulas. These formulas belong to math programming or math data. Next to that, you can see the statistical formulas, engineering formulas, cube formulas, information formulas, compatibility formulas, and web formulas. So, if we talk about the formulas, Microsoft Excel contains more than 10,000 formulas. One cannot learn all of them. Okay? You will learn the formulas which are necessary for you. So, today we are going to discuss some basic formulas here. How we use them. Let's see. To apply formula, we need some values. I'm going to copy some values from this sheet and place it to another sheet. Now, I want to sum up this whole column. There are two methods. We can apply the formula manually, as we are doing earlier in the previous lectures, and we can apply the formula automatically. To apply the formula automatically, we have three options here. Insert function, number one. Just go to there and check. For example, recently used. I'm going to apply some formula and click OK. Click OK again. It will automatically select the range of cells and it will sum up this range of cells. You can see the sum formula on top in the formula bar. And you can see that it has selected the whole column. If I want to apply it to a row, I will go to the end of the row and click insert function and I'll choose sum and OK again. OK. Second method is I'll go to auto sum button. Here we also have got sum. Place your cursor at the end of any column or row and click auto sum. It will select the row or column automatically. Then press enter. It will add the column or row. Auto sum, sum, enter. There is a third method also. Here we have got another button in the formula menu that can apply the sum formula that is recently used. It is showing me sum. Now I'll click sum and click OK. You can see that it has created the total of all data cells in this column. Okay. Now I want to apply some other formula. For example, I want to calculate the maximum of this column. I want to know which number is maximum. I'll go to insert function, or I'll go to AutoSum, I'll go to recently used. All of these three are used to apply formulas. Here we have got maximum. Now I'll click OK, and I'll click OK again. You can see that it is showing me the maximum value of this cell is that. If I go to the end of any row, I want to find out how much columns are there in this row. I'll go to AutoSum and choose the formula count, and now I'll press enter. It will apply the count formula, which is shown on the formula bar at the top, and you can see that there are 11 columns in this row. I want to know how much rows are in this column. I'll go to the third button, recently used. Here we have got count also. We'll just click count and click OK. It will show me that this column contains 30 rows. Okay. I want to find the minimum of this row. I'll go to any of these three buttons and choose minimum formula. Here I'm not able to look for minimum formula. I'll go to AutoSum. Here we have got minimum formula. I'll just choose it and click enter. It will be applied and it will show me which value is minimum in this row. These are first three buttons that apply the basic formulas. For example, average. You can also calculate the average, okay? Count, sum, minimum, maximum. These all formulas are known as the basic formulas. You can calculate these formulas from the first three buttons of formula menu. Automatically, without applying formula by yourself, you don't need to know the syntax of the formula. You don't need to know how to apply formula. Just choose formula and press enter or click OK. It will be automatically applied. Okay. So today we are going to discuss another thing also. This is known as the formula auditing. Formula auditing contains 6 buttons. This is the formula auditing tab. It contains 6 buttons. It is used to audit or check a formula. Okay. For example, I have applied the formula of total here. I want to know which values are used in this formula. I will select the formula cell and click trace dependent. It will show me this set of values is used in this formula with the help of a box and an arrow. Okay. Now I want to know that this value, about this value, in which formula it is used. I want to find out. I will click trace dependent. It will show me that this value is used in this formula and in the sum formula. Okay. So to check which values are used in formula, or to check which formula is using the value, we will use these two buttons, trace dependent and trace precedent. If you want to remove these arrow symbols, just click these buttons, remove all, it will remove all arrows from your Excel sheet. Now, as you know that we have applied the formula all over this sheet, and I want to show these formulas. Where are these formulas? If I click the cell, I can see a formula of that cell in the formula one. But I want to show all formulas on sheet. For that purpose, I will click show formulas. It will hide the values and will bring the formulas in front. Now you can see that all the formulas on my sheet are shown in front of me. If I want to check the result of formula, I will click evaluate formula. Evaluate. It will show me the answer of that formula. if I want to check whether there is an error in this formula or not, I will click error checking. Excel will check my formula for errors. If it contains error, it will show me that this formula contains error. If it does not contain error, it will not show me it contains error. If you want to hide formulas again, just click show formulas. Formulas will be hidden and values will be shown in front of you. These are known as formula auditing buttons. So you have to practice these first three buttons in the formula library and these 6 buttons in the formula auditing toolbar for today.